Okay, are we ready? I literally said I'm becoming a React Andy. Who's this? Not me! Oh my god. Well, you're back. Today we're reacting to Best of CaseOh. Should we just do one for all of them? All of the big streamers, the Mr. Funnies, the Miss Funnies of the world. See what makes them funny? Copy them, steal from them, not steal them. I would never commit such a horrible crime of kidnapping. I need to continue before I ramble myself into a court case. Wait, let's bring up this. You need to see what I'm seeing. Okay.
Breaking news. Paycheck to paycheck, scraping for dimes, Twitch streamer CaseOh has...
Dude, it gets worse every single time! They
Mr.
just add
CaseOh.
to it every single time! Like it can't just be paycheck to... Now it's scraping for dimes! Buddy, what?
Breaking news. Paycheck to paycheck, scraping for dimes, Twitch streamer CaseOh has just broken out of...
How does he get his camera to shake? That's so good. Corn.
Hey! B-52, we got a B-52 eastbound, heading towards the burger.
Get him!
This might result in a fatal car crash. Get out! Step out of that thing! What are you waiting for? Right!
You're done! He's already done! Stop!
Hands up! Hands up!
You've killed him!
Are you ready? I'm about to say I'm about to say it.
Say it!
Are you ready for me to say it?
Yes!
Alright, here I go. I'm gonna say
I'm ready, I'm ready!
2, 1. Da-da-da.
That's pretty good, that's pretty good. No, it's me, san. No, arigato.
One by one Lego piece.
No, I've seen this one. No.
Yep, man. Have a good night. Open your mouth! Open it!
Aww.
Gimme. Just throw it back.
Why does it look like he's eating something else?
I do it every night.
Whopper, junior, double, triple, Whopper.
Yeah!
Real taste with perfect
Give me a triple.
Wait.
Yeah!
I remember that, but somebody had like a better voice.
Daddy with the fatty! Look like a squishmallow.
How else are you gonna get a fatty if you're not eating the Whoppers?
Squishmallow.
Squishmallow.
Squishmallows. Yeah, you're banned, buddy. You're. Imagine
They're
being
cute and
the biggest
cuddly.
living creature on the earth. You don't have to imagine it. Sadly, yeah, you're banned. Have a good night. My internet's so dookie, bro.
It's fighting for its life. Oh my god, that's so awful. Oh, it barely 0. Nada, nothing, zilch. 1 point, no, not even 0.01.
I'm shutting the stream off. Ban everybody that said of course. Ban everybody saying of course. There's actually no way I just glitched through the staircase. Are you joking?
Is this not part of the game?
Shut up!
Is that not part of the game?
No, the reason my internet's not working because I didn't hook my
Ethernet. Blinding.
Why would you put it on light mode? case if you jump up and down in the middle, it will snap. Yo, get this dude away from me. Get this dude away from me. It started sinking because of
The Titanic, no.
Save the food. Where's the kitchen? Where's the kitchen? Where's the kitchen? Yo, grab me a snack out of there! Get on a lifeboat, chat. You know what they say.
Not set
the
up.
Captain goes down.
I can't even play this!
Captain. Captain of the buffet? What? Even the boat out with your weight?
Why is his head so tiny? The guy in the red.
The iceberg.
I'm gonna play this.
The ship Case did. Did I just see somebody say spoilers? Dude, this thing sunk 100-something years ago. I can't change history, yes I can. Watch me. I'm gonna go to the front of this ship. I'm gonna get in the water. I'm gonna pick it up and even it out. And I'm gonna put it on my back and swim with this ship on my back to the closest body of land. See, if do I
need to get into Roblox? Do I need to?
All go to the back.
Why is this so fun looking?
Even it out. Let's go. Everybody start jumping. Let's go. Jump.
Oh, it's like the club thing. We're flipping the iceberg.
Is that who I think it is on that boat?
Jack. Oh God. They're all dead. Metaphorically.
I got pushed off!
But you have a chance to survive.
Why does every boat I get on start sinking? What do you mean Case visiting the pyramids, bro?
No!
Case's high school yearbook photo. Wow, thanks.
That's just
Sorry,
no.
you fail buster? Bruh. This is my own mod! This is my own mod posting this! Yeah, that mod's gone, buddy. You're out of there.
Demoted.
Oh, you're out of there. Fist me! Fist me! No! Who just called me I show calories? Now I gotta come off already, chat. No. See,
Spoil me.
See, we're done, you know.
You know, if you show your username, I will make you 25! 46 new!
It's lagging! Please!
Communicate English easily. Use grammar.
Good luck with Uno dying. How the fuck can he play?
Uno. Thank you for that, sir. I appreciate. What positive individuals?
Hammer me. No.
Dude, you're disgusting!
Kiss me, CaseOh. Is there really no way to turn it off? Let me lick them toes.
Instantaneous points for lemons. If you have a lemon in your fridge, I am gonna give you extra points. I'd be sucking down some lemons. Like
lemons and limes. Yeah, raw.
It's middle of the road. I think this is a good. You know what? 6.5. I'm going to assume.
It's a bit messy.
Right? Peep this, chat. I am going to assume that there is macaroni and cheese in this pan. Because usually when somebody puts the pans with the handle, with tinfoil covering the pan in the fridge, it's usually mac and cheese. Bro's just
jelly, jam.
Look at all this jelly.
That pepperoni.
Paparazzi. Look how disgusting your fridge is. Look at your floor. Ah! What do you mean real?
I think that King Louis one is gonna get me for a while. No.
I'm shutting the broadcast down.
Oh, King Louis!
Turn the lights off. Ow! Who just said the recoil was crazy?
I couldn't even
According to
see it.
eyewitnesses,
I was too
CaseOh
scared.
was seen yelling at a McDonald's worker, asking where his 100-piece chicken nugget meal with 10 large
100 piece!
with 10 large fries and 5 large drinks was. Eyewitnesses report that CaseOh threatened that if he does not get his order within 5 minutes, he will get butt naked on top of the counter and throw it back in a circle. But thankfully, authorities arrived and arrested CaseOh. However, CaseOh was not able to be transported via the back of a police vehicle. He had to be taken to the police station being lifted by a crane.
That McChicken looks so good, though. Girl, with the $5, you look like Butter Pants from Shrek. This is the Do the Roar kid! You're banned.
Get the roar! Get the roar! I can't even do the impression!
If you say do the roar, you're banned. If you say do the roar,
I would've been banned!
with them. You understand me?
I would've been banned! How many people don't get banned? How many people don't get banned? Oh my goodness. Oh. How many people don't get banned in his stream? It seems like every stream he gets banned. Or not he, but like he bans someone. Bans his mod, deletes his mod, blocks his mods. At some point you gotta wonder, how is he getting more followers?